Hi, and welcome to Blinkbid. Today we're going to go over advanced invoices. On your homepage of your Blinkbid account, go ahead and click on My Jobs. I'm going to click on this commercial fashion shoot, and as you can see, this job is listed in my estimates. You notice I even have my talent down there. I have 2 adult talent listed at $3,000 a day. Go ahead and click on what I call the hamburger, and you'll see a variety of options. Click Advanced Invoice. As you notice, you see a few choices. If you're not in the UK, you can go ahead and disregard the plus tax. This is just for our UK customers as they have to deal with certain tax laws. Notice the talent fees billed to client. You have this option and go ahead and click that checkbox for now. To show you how this works, go ahead and start typing in numbers such as 50. You're going to see a variety of options: 50% of entire job total, 50% of production total, or $50 is cash value. If you toggle that check mark on and off, you're going to notice those totals change. Billed to client revises your subtotal. That way the advance is based on the job minus the talent fees. Often clients want to see the entire cost of the job. Go ahead and click 50% of the entire job total. As you can see, a PDF opens up with your advanced invoice. As you notice when you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see your subtotal, and then in red, your total fees billed direct are deducted from your subtotal, giving you a revised subtotal that adjusts your new advanced invoice.